الكويت سلمت للمجد وعلى جبينك طالع السعد. وطن الكويت وطن الكويت وطن الكويت سلمت للمجد. يا مهد آباء الأولى كتبوا سفر الخلود فنادت الشهب الله أكبر إنهم عرب طلعت كواكب جنة الخلد.
On behalf of the government and the 1.3 billion people of the Republic of India and the Indian community in Kuwait, I extend my heartiest greetings to the leadership, the government, and the people of the friendly state of Kuwait on the happy occasion of the 60th anniversary of the National Day and the 30th anniversary of Liberation Day of Kuwait. India and Kuwait share a very close and dynamic bilateral relationship. It is underpinned by centuries-old historical and cultural linkages and nurtured by political, trade, economic, knowledge exchanges, and vibrant people-to-people ties. This year is an important milestone in our relationship as we will be celebrating the 60th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relationship between our two friendly countries. We remain committed to working closely with Kuwait in enhancing our bilateral cooperation in all spheres. On this festive occasion, I pray for the continued peace, progress, and prosperity of the people of the state of Kuwait. I also take this opportunity to convey my heartiest greetings and best wishes for the continued good health and personal well-being to His Highness the Amir, His Highness the Crown Prince, and His Highness the Prime Minister. And finally, for all the warmth and the care on behalf of Indian community in Kuwait, I once again extend my warm, festive greetings to the friendly people of the state of Kuwait. Thank you.